we ever bridge the gap? BrightCHAMPS presents learning that is different, sessions that are fun, interactive, hands-on, where kids don't just sit and listen, they create, experiment, and explore. Because long lectures lose attention, and short attention loses learning. At BrightCHAMPS, activities keep them motivated, gamified challenges keep them engaged, and real projects build focus. These aren't just classes, they're adventures, filled with curiosity, energy, and joy. BrightCHAMPS, where curiosity meets creation.